Hey guys, welcome to Axel Forex Trading Institute. Let me do this. So guys, I won't try to waste time. I'll just move straight directly to the market to the platform. So guys, let's not wait for people. I shared this link before the session start. So let's save time since this thing limits us to time. So let's just start, guys. Let's just start. Let's get started. So if I'm not mistaken, I think you are able to see my platform that side. So this thing, this session is recorded. So for those who will miss it, they will try to access the link of. So okay, guys, as I said, I'm gonna be summing up my strategies here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, this is VIX 51st index. Okay. So if you check, guys, how it's moving, this is the hourly chart. Let's do everything on the hourly chart on this pair. You see how it's moving? I think you're able to see how it's moving. Let me do this. So yeah, this 50 VIX index, first index. So if you can check, guys, now what's happening? If this market was really going up, you see here it was a bullish momentum. This was a bullish movement. But now if you can check, we're having something like this. And if you can check the candles between green and red, the ones that are strong currently are the red ones, you see. So if you can check, we had a chart here. Here's our chart or change of character. This is confirming a break of structure here. You see, this was a nice chart. So unfortunately, we missed a sell where? Here. This sell was serving as a flip zone here. Now what? So now the thing that we do, we know which, okay, the market has to move from there to there, here. From there, here, if not here, to here, or even more. Now what? So this is what we know. Okay, the market has to move it has to move from here to there, because it already broke this bullish trend or bullish move. Now what? So the market, you know, guys, it doesn't go straight down, it goes in a form of zigzags, but we don't know which levels it will obey. So now we'll do this. Check, guys, I'm not giving signals here. I'm not giving signals. So now check what's happening. We'll do this. I want to show you something. You see, I'm using a 1 hour chart. What time is it now? Okay, halfway. We are going. Check what's going to happen. We are going there. You see, I didn't even switch to a lower time frame. So where do I set my stop loss? Stop loss here from the flip zone. Never. And then TP where? TP1 here. And then TP2 where? Here. Never. Then we leave the market decide. So this is first index. So the secret behind first index is that the market, I mean, this pair is very volatile to the level that, to the point that it might make you cry sometimes. But only thing that matters here is the long-term run or the long-term prediction. Because if you can check in the shorter term, it might get you stressed. So then now I'm switching to 5 minutes chart. I want to see something. So okay, my level of flip zone on that hour chart, it was somewhere here. Never. So the market, it might not be able to even come to this level. Let me do this. It might even fail to come there. Maybe it might give a retest somewhere here if we are applying targeting rejection blocks. Never. So it might come somewhere there and start doing something like this. Because we know, okay, the market is moving down, but it moves in a form of zigzags. So there's no way that the market, if it goes down same time. So the entry, we make entry while the market is buying to reduce the level of losing. Yeah? So now let's leave this one. It decides. Now we move to another pair or another asset. Okay, let's go to crashes. Okay, let's start with crash 500. Then now I have a template here, a clean template. So if you check this one, it's crash, it's what crash 500. This is hourly chart. Then if you can check here, there is a level of imbalancement. This move, it was only biased to sellers because sellers couldn't be able to participate here. Do you understand? So what will happen next is this. The market will have to come. The market will have to come and refill this zone. What? Because if you can check here, we are having multiple fair value gaps. Remember, I told you what are fair value gaps. Here is the main fair value gap. This is the main fair value gap because the candles were not even creating shadows. You see that? So now what happens here, if you can check, the market might fail to break above here. It might fail to break above this key level. Because if you can check, they already had multiple, I can say equal highs. These equal highs, they are giving us a signal of what? A failure of continuation. You see? So now our prediction is for the market to come and do something like this. This is the prediction. Then what do? We do this. You see, there is no indicator, guys. There is no indicator. Now, why? Why am my levels are not showing there? Well, I place cells here. Why? See, now it erased my thing. Okay, so far so good. I place cells there. Yeah, my cells. Because the reason I'm placing cells I showed you is this. So you see, Gucci, this thing, it doesn't mean Gucci we have to trade using one strategy. We just analyze, we check, okay, why the market is doing this, why here it has done this and stuff. So here we're having those equal highs that I've shown you guys. Yeah, the equal highs. These are equal highs. And then here we know, okay, the market is very rare for it to come and break this level because it has to cover the gap because sellers were not participating in the market. You understand? So this level that it's above, we call it this way. Text. I'm trying to make sure that you understand. It's our fair value gap. We having, you see already we got that spike there. This is our equal highs. Never. Nothing tricky, guys. Nothing tricky there. Nothing tricky. Nothing tricky. Never. And then we're having that level above. We can call it external range liquidity because it's above. The market doesn't break above. So never. This is how we do it. So simple like that, guys. No indicators. Then we'll go to 1 minute. If you check here, check what happened. We got that spike, exactly key level. So what do? We add another trade. This is how we trade spikes. Add another trade. Already we're in profits. Then what that? And then if we check, don't forget, let's check our trades on that first 50 first index. You see how we do it? No magic. There is no magic, guys. There is no magic. Already we are gone exactly on that level. Never. But remember, I use the what? An hourly chart. Then if you check, let's delete these ones. Never how we enter the market. So don't chase the market. If you see the market buying, doesn't mean it will buy. So at the end of the day, we are cruising. I'm just showing you. Yeah, well, but then don't be surprised. This is a demo. I'm just showing you my strategies, guys. We are compiling, as I say. Yeah, one quick. At the end of the time, you are winning. And then you see, using a lower time frame, it might block your views. You see now it's starting to go down. We are going. Then let's switch to our crash and forget about these ones. And then here it goes. We're gonna get another spike. So the only thing that matters, guys, is just a matter of analyzing on a higher time frame before you go to a lower time frame. Then we are sorted about that. So I think you can be able to do that. Let's open VIX 75. Let me erase this. These were previous session analysis. So now this is VIX 75. So here I will show you how to scalp it. If you check how the market it's crashing. Check. This is the downtrend in a higher time frame. Or if you want to see it properly, this is on an hourly chart. You see it's crashing. So there is a moment where, okay, let's go to H4. There is a moment where VIX 75, it has to end up doing this. It has to end up going up. You understand? But then go to where we're not sure. So here, guys, going to 5 minutes, we saw it's a downtrend. Then check what I'm gonna do here. Let's go to 1 minute. This is the strategy that I used to scalp. Check here. Okay, I see now the market it's starting to obey such levels. So this it's an order block on a 5 minutes time frame. Never. So now what do we do? So here there are two possible moves to scalp. I'm scalping a buy. The market will come here. Market will come here and retest there and do what? And go up. Or the market before it starts going up, it might act as if it's breaking that level. So you can use pending buy limits below. Now what? So there is no time for that. We'll do this. We'll do this. We buy. I've bought there. So the risky part about scalping, it's using a stop loss. I understand, using a stop loss. It's very risky using a stop loss on scalping such trades because the market might kick you if you put your stop loss here. Or if you put it here, it might kick you. So you just end up as a ticket. It's a win or lose. And then from here, where do I set my TP? I can remember this is a scalp. TP1 there, then TP2 it might be there, Now what? At the end of the time, if you are patient, you just wait for it to enter into profits, you lock profits. Afterwards, what do? You lock profits, you hold, because you might be lucky. We all don't know the upcoming move for the market. So you might find that you started with that buy, because here the upcoming move, it's a long-term buy. Yeah, and we understand that. So this is how we do it. So now we just wait and see whether the market it's willing to pay us or not. So in the meantime, let's check those other trades. Never. This is that VIX 50 first index. So even if you were scalping there, already you've won those trades. This is paying. Check on the hourly chart how we entered. We are good. Do you understand? Let's check crash. Crash is still not yet moving. It's kind of slow, but it's nice trading, not trading against the spikes. Never. So let's just keep holding crash. And then this one, if you're using a small account, you can close some trades. Close some trades. You close some trades, you lock profit. You leave 2 trades running or one at the end of the day. Then if you can check here, you see this was a nice fast move. Never. This was a nice fast move for 300 and something USD. So making 1000 USD doesn't mean you have to hold the whole day. You have to hold the 3 weeks. It depends on how you enter the market, because the only thing that matters there is entering the market. Do you understand? So the only thing now that we will do, I was just showing you how to get these such entries. And then let's go to let me see. Okay, this is crash 1K. Okay, H4 chart. I wanted to show you something. Unfortunately, it's I know we're having those buys on VIX 75. Let's check them before we end up forgetting those scalp. So at the end of the day, let's see if we are winning. We are winning. Do you understand how we do it? This is how we do it, guys. There is nothing tricky there. There is nothing that has to do with witchcraft. The matter is knowledge. Yeah, but so this thing is just volatile, guys. That's why they even gave it the volatilities, because they are volatile. Did you see that? So now I want to open a fresh chart where we can be able to analyze it. So before we move forward, let's check. You see those trades are winning. TP hit. Check. Let's see the profit. 600. It was already 1K USD. So you see this thing, guys. They are very easy. Even using 1 minute time frame, you can do a lot of money. At the end of the day, you close these buys. If you wanna close, if you don't wanna close, it's up to you. So at the end of the day, you are winning, guys. I won't mislead you. Let's open another chart. Let me add a VIX 100, because there's someone who asked me about VIX 100. So VIX 100, guys, make sure that you don't trade VIX 100 using a small account, or don't over trade on VIX 100. Only add trades when it's moving according to your prediction. If you check, this is VIX 100. This is this is the hourly chart. VIX 100. It's kind of moving like it's kind of moving like a VIX 75. So here you do this, you apply. I need to wanna catch the trend. You apply flip zones. What do I talk when I see flip zones? Flip zones is something that we use, a strategy that we use to join the trend. You see, this was a flip zone. It's a flip zone. So guys, I want to show you something that I don't use. So don't be fooled. Maleba very study trend line, they will be doing something like this now, or not on VIX 100. They will be doing something like this. Not this one. This one will cry if you are weak. So, okay, you see, we missed that cell here. Then now the only thing that we must wait for it to do, it's something that will come back or near that zone that I've drawn, that flip zone, so that we can be able to sell. Now we can't sell there. And then if you want to check or you want to confirm, guys, flip zones, this it's a flip zone. Let me just edit here. Even if it's selling, don't sell, don't be fooled. If you miss the entry, you've missed the entry. Don't force. This is a flip zone, so don't be surprised. What is it a flip zone? Flip zone is when the market had broke the structure and now it's working retesting opposite. And then let's do this. I want to show you something. I don't know here. This was a nice imbalancement on the fair value gap. You see, this was also another flip zone, but on the fair value gap. You understand? Because here, check, when we talk about imbalancing, the moment the market crashes like this, it was unfair for buyers because they couldn't be taking place or they were not participating. So the market will have to come back slowly but surely, giving buyers a fair opportunity to also participate. Then from there, if you check the market where it started that sell or it started that crash, then it will continue from that level. Then at the end of the day, it will come and break where that imbalancing move or where the buyers came into control. It will even break that level and still come retest here and continue going down. You understand how it works? So if we check, so if we can check our trades so that we can go out of that, there is VIX, this one. You see this one is still crashing down nicely. And then we had another one here in VIX 75, those spies. You see, they even missed my TP there. So, okay, let's focus there. It was VIX 100, ne? Yeah, so I'll show you the imbalancing of this VIX 100. So the moment VIX 100 crashes like this, don't chase it, wait for a retest, look for a opposite key zone or key level. Do you understand that? So at the end of the day, everything gonna be nice. So let me see what I can show you again, because I'm summing up my strategies here. Here I'm summing up my strategies. So you see the reason why I say don't buy, because this 600, I know it will go there. At least even if you want to sell, you can sell somewhere around this level. So for now, there's no selling opportunity, but we are looking to sell. There's nothing special about buying now. So let's check if our time, we're having 9 minutes left. So let me check another fresh pair or fresh asset. Let me add another one. So this one you can use to grow small accounts. This one, VIX 75 first index. This one. Don't be scared to play with lot sizes here. This is VIX 75 first index. This is gonna be our last breakdown. So you see this one, it's a nice, it's just bullishing nicely. You know, guys, a buy trend, it goes an uptrend. You see? Simple like that. Then if you check here, we're having our point of interest. This is a nice bullish structure. So I don't see a break of the market structure so far, so good. So the only thing that we do this. We want to buy, we go, this is an hourly chart. Then we go where to 5 minutes chart, just to decrease the loss. We see how is it going. But we know now we do this. This is the point of interest on the higher time frame. So what do? We wait for the market to come here. If it doesn't break or it retests here, then we're gonna be placing more trades. So this one, don't be scared to play with lot size, guys. Now I'm buying. You see, by my here are my trades. Then this is a long-term trade, you just leave it. So in the meantime, let's check our profit if we are winning or losing. I think we are winning, guys. 700 USD. We are winning. You see, okay, let's do this. So here, the moment we know you can buy here, but it doesn't mean the market will strictly buy here. You might come here and start buying so hard from there. There. So our key stop loss is where below this key level, or it might even break that level and come where here. It starts buying. So don't be fooled by this one. It's just volatile, but then it doesn't chow a lot, but it pays a lot if you are playing in the right manner. So let's check. We had our this one. It's still moving nicely. Our crash, the C crash. Crash, yeah, starting to pay off, but it's still slow. Then which other ones did we have? Oh, also had the VIX 75. So it missed our TP. What type of witchcraft is this one? So our tip one should be cleaned there. So far so good, guys. Let's just get back to this one. So the moment, don't be surprised when you see my chart end up having many trades. It's because I add trades. The moment I see which okay, I sold here, then the market doesn't mean to sell or to buy here, then I keep adding more trades if the level is corresponding. So now I think I showed you everything, guys. The only thing that matters here is patience. The only thing that matters here is patience. So guys, I was recording this this Zoom session. You can be able to watch it again. So the secret about the market, any pair or any asset, when it moves according to the market trend, it's fast. Now, keep that in mind. When the market, if it's in a bullish trend, as like this one, you will check biggest candle in here, it's bullish candles because they are favoring the market trend. So please make sure that you keep that in mind. So at the end of the time, I think you've learned a lot, guys. As I told you, don't learn all things same time or in one session. But I think you've learned. I think you've learned. Because here I was just showing you how to do the things. There's no witchcraft or there's no it's just a matter of knowledge. So at the end of the time, you see now it's moving nicely according to our prediction. So it's just a matter of holding because it's a buy trade. So where do I exit? I can set my TP1 there, set another TP2 where here, somewhere there, something like that. You see? So that's how we do it, guys. Good luck, guys. I'm out. I'm ending this session. If you're having a question, kindly hit my inbox now so that you can see. I can see how I help you. Peace, guys. Peace, guys. Peace, guys.